doing some Green Lantern reviews today. And action.
Let's do Ion. I like his outfit design. He's got cool black buckles on there, on his black. He's got black things on the side of his arm here. And his symbol's a little more unique than most. The white on his chest and the black on his shoulder. Jade. She's older from Kingdom Come. She's a little dirty because I've had her for a while. She's kind of stuck in her form. She's got minimal posability. Like left to right on the elbow, up and down, a little bit out and in on the shoulder. That's about it. She's got a nice rack. And a cool outfit. We got Hal here. Cool sculpt for him. He's got a raised symbol on his chest. He's got kind of like almost white glowy gloves. He's pretty standard. Guy. This is one of the earlier versions of Guy, because I have some later ones. It's got the big old belt buckle. Its posability's alright. Not great though. This is another version of Hal. Came in a comic set with Sinestro. He's really standard. Okay posability. I don't like his hand down here though. It's like, what's he holding, a cell phone? I don't know. We got Rissa. The orange hotness. She's beautiful. Great sculpt. Oh, I think she's lost something on the ground. Like her dignity. Fish guy. Don't know his name. Came with an alternate head so he could turn to broccoli head guy. You can take off the plastic thing on top and turn his head if you'd like. A really cool idea for Lantern. Ceramic Nut 2. She's got big old caboose. Got a cool hair sculpt, nice color on the face, just like the other Sinestro. Yeah. And then they fought. You look just like me. Yeah, but I'm an earlier version. Earlier version, I must be stronger. Oh Oh yeah? I'm Hal Jordan. No one ever really beats me. It's pretty simple. How do you do a fight? Everything would be in your mind. Oh yeah? I'm Hal Jordan too. Let me use my mind ray. Mind shield. Mind piercing the shield thing. It's pretty easy. Being a Green Lantern would be so simple. Unless you're Ion, and then you have the whole battery inside you. Man, that was so fun. Having a Green Lantern ring is like being a child on crack. I'm Jade, and I kill you with my big boobies. Smother, smother, smother. Yay. I'm Sinestro, and I don't need to be taken off my stand. Hey, look at that. It came off. Hello, daughter. Hello, father. You've been bad. Bend over. Psh, 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 psh. Now die. Winner.
Please subscribe.